Welcome to Mechatronics Laboratory. Now we are going to see about stepper motor interface. Aim of the experiment is to run a stepper motor control for full step revolution by interfacing the 8051 microcontroller. So apparatus required is 8051 microcontroller kit and stepper motor interfacing kit and keyboard interfacing kit. And so this is the architecture of 8051 microcontroller. So inside of microcontroller we having ROM and RAM chips are there. So ROM means read only memory, RAM means random access memory. It's having 4 KB programming code. It is used to store that. RAM having 128 bytes programming chip, as well as it having the some control unit like internal interrupt control. In the interrupt control we having CPU and oscillator and bus control, which is used for to control the program which you enter in the microcontroller. So as well as we in microcontroller we having 4 ports like input output ports P0, P1, P2, P3, which is used for give the input and output connection, as well as the serial port is used for to give the serial type of input and used to get the serial type of output. So this is a basic architecture of microcontroller. This is a microcontroller. So the main difference between the microprocessor and microcontroller is the microprocessor general purpose computer and microcontroller a special digital computer. In microprocessor we having only one bit of handling operation, but in microcontroller we having the many bit handling operation, and also clock speed is very low in microcontroller, but microprocessor clock speed is very high. In microprocessor based system required more hardwares, but in microcontroller based system only required very less type of hardwares. The microprocessor operates only 1 GHz speed, but microcontroller will operates 50 to 80 megahertz speeds. The cost wise microcontroller having very low cost, but microprocessor is very high cost. As well as microcontroller we can use the standalone type, but microprocessor we cannot be used as a standalone. As well as in microcontroller we are using RAM and ROM, as I said that. So RAM is used for data storage and ROM is used for program storage, and data of RAM can be changed during the processing time. The data of ROM cannot be changed during the processing. It is a RAM is non-volatile memory, ROM is volatile memory. So this is the stepper motor. Actually the stepper motor is a special type of DC motor. It's having the permanent magnet or variable reluctance DC motor. It is an electromechanical device which converts the electrical DC voltage pulse into discrete mechanical movement. The shaft of the spindle of the stepper motor rotates discrete steps when electrical commands pulse are applied into the proper sequence. This characteristics of motor makes ideally suited for the digital based control system such as microcontroller. This stepper motor having the step angles like a 0 degree, 30 degree, 270 degree. So it will rotate step by step. So we are going to see how it will be operate. First procedure for the stepper motor interface is first you have to interface connection with the keyboard to the microcontroller kit, and the microcontroller kit to stepper motor kit with the help of patch cards, and then to turn on the power supply. It will turn on. So first you have to click the integer button. This integer button. First you have to click on it. Let's type press. Then press S. Give double enter 1 and 2. In that display it will shows ADDR, that is address register. So you have to give the address. Normally we consider as a any type of address you can consider, but I am giving 6C00 6C00, enter and type. So I am giving as a address as 6C00. So we can use any type of address, but I am consider 6C address. So in that address we have to enter the codes for to control the stepper motor interface. So normally we are using codes. In that 6C00 location, we enter 75. Actually, 75 means the command for move. It is op code. Number is 75. Op code means optical programming code. So normally we write as a program in uh, analog form, which is a human understanding, but a machine will understand only digital form. So we are directly feed into the optical programming code. That is op code is used for to give the programming code. So move stack point code is 75 and 81, that is op code. In 58 means you are using the address move a, and optical code is 74 and the address of the point is 80. Then move data pointer, so the opcode is 90 and 28, and 0f is memory location, and then move x direct pointer, so that location will be stored into the f0. So similarly you have to write the opcode for your basic program requirements, then that program will be typed into the microcontroller. So in 6C00 location we typed as opcode 75, then 6C01 we typed as opcode 81, then 58. As I discussed, 6C03 we typed as 74 and 80. So similarly you have to type the opcode so for your constraint requirements. So after typing I have to press integer, press G, that is go to, press double enter. You have to bus address other. You have to type 6C00 double enter. So motor is on. It will rotate clockwise direction as well as counterclockwise direction based on your program. So it will move counterclockwise. For each step it will rotate 15 degree. So parallelly the red lights are indicates that different phases. Normally the stepper motor having 4 phases. The 4 phases the supply will move step by step, 1 2 4, then 1 4 2 3 1 4. So similarly it will change the direction of the power supply. So based on the power supply the stepper motor will rotate. So conclusion for this program, that is result of the program is that the stepper motor speed control of the full step evolution by interfacing the 8051 microcontroller is done successfully. Thank you.